Good morning, ma'am. Avinash, and welcome to the assembly. Now I would like to request you to kindly say a few words.
Sit down. Happy Dussehra to all of you. Did you see? First of all, did you enjoy this cake? Yes. So give a big round of applause for class 1A. Now tell me, how many characters played today? Over here. How many characters? Now only raise your hand. Down here.
Ravan, Ram, Hanuman, Lakshman, Jatayu.
Jatayu and Sugriv also? No. Yes? Sugriv? Who was Sugriv? कौन था Sugriv? Yes, I will give chance to somebody. Who was Sugriv? Yes, very good. But you need to come. You need to come forward and speak.
Guard on a person on street.
Where is Sugriv? King of the monkeys and Hanuman also. He said कि हम तो रावण से जीत के ही रहेंगे. क्या बोला उसने भगवान राम को? हम अपनी सेना तैयार करते हैं. हनुमान जी ने कहा था ना? क्या बोला था? हम सेना तैयार करेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे रावण से. और क्या हुआ था? सारी वानर सेना सबने क्या किया? कहाँ से गए वो? कहाँ पे लड़ाई हुई थी? कहाँ पे? लंका में. और लंका का राजा कौन था? रावण. रावण लंका का राजा था. और हम क्या बोलते हैं? Why do we celebrate? भगवान राम ने क्या किया? किसकी जीत हुई? सच्चाई की जीत हुई, बुराई की हार हुई. रावण कैसा था? रावण बहुत अच्छा भी था. रावण was very powerful. He had so many powers in his hand. He had so many powers. And he was very knowledgeable person. You know, first we will count all the good qualities of Ravan. So think about it. Then we will think about evil, what he did. He was very powerful.
He paid so much.
Yes, and then he was knowledgeable. He was fearless. वो क्या कहता था? मुझे कोई नहीं मार सकता. क्या बोलता था वो? You want to say something? Sara, you want to say something? Yes, he did lot of prayers. आपको children, do you know? चार वेद. Do you know? Anybody knows? If you know, raise your hand. You know? उसको why you say so many prayers? Okay? जैसे आप पूजा करते हो ना, तो आपको याद होता है ना, गायत्री मंत्र याद होता है ना. वैसे रावण को बहुत ज्यादा सारे वेद, सारी पाठ उसको पूरा याद था. विदाउट एनी रीड भी नहीं करता था वो. इसको इतनी नॉलेज थी. तो फिर क्या हुआ? जब गॉड ने देखा कि उसको तो इतनी प्रेयर करता है, तो गॉड ने उसको इतने गिफ्ट दिए कि तू जो मांगेगा मैं वो करूंगा. हाँ, you all know ना. तो आज today on 12th you have the Dussehra. So you need to tell your mama that mama कि हम Dussehra क्यों मनाते हैं? We have discussed good things about Ravana. Now we need to think about the bad things about Ravana.
He was so deadly.
He was evil. What is the meaning of evil?
Evil is to make damage.
Do bad things and to hurt somebody for purpose. उसने किसको हर्ट किया था? सीता मैया को ऐसे उठा के ले गया. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? Very bad, very bad. So that is why फिर किसने बोला कि सच्चाई की जीत होगी और बुराई की हार? भगवान राम आए. भगवान राम उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, जो बुरा करेगा उसका क्या होगा? अंत होगा. और जो अच्छे काम करेगा उसकी हमेशा जीत होगी. उसकी हमेशा जीत होगी. So that is why अब हम क्या करते हैं? दशहरे में क्या करते हैं? रावण को, बुराई को, हम बुराई को चलाते हैं। हम किसको चलाते हैं? बुराई को खत्म करते हैं और सच्चाई की हमेशा जीत होती है। One thing more. How many of you celebrate Navratras? All of you, have you got chole prasad today in your tiffin? Yes or no? Maybe tomorrow. Because 9 Navratras or 9th Navratra that you are celebrating. So, किसकी पूजा करते हैं हम? कौन से goddess की पूजा करते हैं हम that day? Think. We pray Ma Durga on Navratris. Ma Durga. Okay? Nobody knows. कुछ भी नहीं आता किसी को. दशहरा भी मना लिया हमने, नवरात्रि भी, हम छोले पूरी भी खा रहे हैं, पर किसी को पता ही नहीं है. किसी को नहीं पता. छोले भटूरे खाते तो हैं, पर क्यों खाते हैं? So now is your task. Tomorrow is Navratra. You need to know what is the meaning of Navratras. Why do you celebrate this festival in North India? Where, in which part of India we are living? North India. And we celebrate Dashera and Navratris. But do you know Navratris कहाँ पे celebrate करते हैं? Gujarat. We celebrate. Have you heard about Dandiya and Garba? Yes. Then you tell about. This is our knowledge session. This assembly will be always your knowledge session. Okay? Do you know what is knowledge? Okay. You have to learn 5 things from your assembly. Always. Okay, otherwise you are not going to the classes.
So children, like ma'am just told you, we are celebrating. Today what we celebrated was Dashera. But this Dashera is celebrated in India in different states in different ways. So ma'am said we are staying in which region of the country? North India. So we are celebrating Dashera by burning the effigy of Ravan. There is in Himachal also we celebrate in Kullu. Have you heard the place Kullu? Have you heard? So in Himachal there is one place Kullu.
Kullu Manali. Nobody knows.
Alright, now in the summer vacations, everybody should go to Kullu Manali.
Yes.
So in Himachal, there is a special Dashera Mela is held. Alright? Where is it held? Himachal. Have you been to Shimla? Yes. Shimla is the capital of which state? Which state? Yes. Himachal. So we celebrate Mela, Kullu Mela, very famous. And there is one state, Karnataka, where Ravan is not burnt. Does anyone know why? We don't know? Because Ravan was married to the daughter of the king of Mysore. So they celebrate. They don't kill Ravan because he is respected there, and that is why there is a Mysore palace. It's decorated with lights and beautiful celebrations. Just now somebody said lots of elephants are decorated. They have a wonderful parade. So we've learned 3 states. One verse. The first one, Kullu. Kullu ka Mela, famous Kullu Mela in which state? Himachal. Why this side is not answering? Which state? Yes. And which was the second one that I told? Which place? Mysore. Alright. state of Gujarat, they celebrate Dashera in the form of Navratri. That means Navratri, 9, and they celebrate these 9 nights by dancing, by singing. And what is the form of dance? Dandiya and Garba. What is the form of dance? Dandiya. Dandiya means with the sticks they dance, and Garba is a form of dance that they perform with the hands. They have a community dance. That means all people come together in the evening and they all celebrate the courage, strength of Ma Durga, and they perform dances in her glory. So children, we have to remember these 3 things. The first state was Kulu is the city. The state was Himachal Pradesh. Second city, Mysore in Karnataka. And the third one, Gujarat. So in the next assembly, we will revise it again. Alright? Yes, ma'am. And you have to go and share it with your parents also. That today, this is all what that we learned in the assembly.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you all do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. And you'll come back and tell your teachers. Alright? Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am. It was very nice. Very good. And I think everybody enjoyed. Again, please put an applause for yourself because you learned so much today.
So please stay seated. Please stay seated. So I think we've just seen a wonderful assembly, and thank you so much, Dolly ma'am, for the assembly and all the children who performed. And as the message went out, it is not about burning Ravan, it is burning our bad habits, the evil inside us. So that is what we have to do. So I'm sure that you have learned so many things today. So wonderful that during the assembly we have learned so many things about moral values from the past. History teaches us so much. So I hope that you have a wonderful day, and you all must go and wish your parents also a very happy Dussehra, and all of you, we wish you a very, very happy Dussehra. Thank you, children. Thank you, Dolly.
Loud cheer for them. So what you need to do? You need to work harder and then you will get certificate. Okay? For your achievement. Yes, children? Yes. So in the end of the year, I want to see everybody's achievement and the certificate in your hand. Promise me that you will work harder in school. Yes? In academics, in sports, in music classes, in dance class, in art, and overall. Okay, children? Yes. Thank you, children. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, ma'am.